Hi loves, you are welcome to my channel. So one of our soulmates asked a question on how to prevent zipper bulge. So in this video I'm going to share the little I know and exactly what I do to prevent zipper bulge. So keep on watching if you want to know more. So this is a straight dress pattern and the back, and our back is not as straight as the back is right now. We are going to take some few inches from our back to help us reduce the bulge. Okay, so on the waistline, go in by half an inch. I sometimes do 0.75 depending on how deep the back is. So you connect from the waist upward like this, and connect from the waist again to the hip, exactly on the hip. So this part will be taken off, and because it is your exact waist and you've taken few inches from it, that means your waist measurement is going to be shortened. So I'm going to place a paper beneath the dress like this, and I'll replace that half an inch. Okay, whatever inch you take from the back, you replace it. Or you can as well use the same measurement you have on the waist and start from the new line, and then you get your exact measurement. So same way you connect from wherever it is to the hip and then to the top. So this method is for a fitted straight dress, and if you want to add a zipper allowance, you follow the line and you add your zipper allowance. Okay, now another method is when you have your front and back bodies same length, and usually our front, I always say, is longer than our back. If you measure your back measurement will be different from your front measurement because of the boobs at the front. Okay, and we still want to have a perfect dress, right? So what you do is you measure your back, and then you input the measurement on your back. Okay, so measure it and mark it, and what you do is after marking you take off that excess. This is also a way of reducing zipper bulge because your back will not be long. Okay, you will move on to reshape our center back same way, half an inch, and then we'll connect it to either close to the neckline or few inches before the neckline. So from there we can now input our waist measurement and then connect it to the bust. So same way you can add your zipper allowance along the center back. So now the sides of both the front and the back are not the same, and so to make sure they are the same, we are going to introduce what we call bust dart. So you use the difference between the front and the back, and then you use that measurement as the bust dart. So I'll divide the shoulder into two equal parts, and I'll connect that line to the nipple line. So now we can easily close the bust dart. Now after closing the bust dart, there will be a little shortage. So place a piece of paper beneath the pattern, tape it down and then connect them together. So if you want to add this to a skirt to make a full dress, on the center back, go in by half an inch like we did for the bodice and connect to the hip, and then replace that half an inch at the side. So make sure you have enough space to cover up the shortage. On the center back of the skirt, you go in by 1 inch. I'll just do half inch for this, and you connect it to the waistline. For this method, I do it all the time because it helps. Okay. So for the freehand method, we mostly have the front and the back line the same. So what I do is from the center back, I go up by 1 inch. Okay, that's what I do. Sometimes I do more because you realize that when you even use 1 inch, you still have a little zipper bulge. Okay, so I do 1 and 1.5 maximum. So I'll connect it to the waist, and you will still have both sides of your bodies to be the same. Okay, you apply the same method for the skirt, the one we did earlier. You apply the same method for it, and that will be okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your post notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Share your thoughts and comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.